Hey everyone, check out these durable ETrack cam buckle straps designed to secure your heavy cargo. Made from tough polyester webbing, each strap stretches 16 feet to handle tools, motorcycles, and equipment with ease. The spring fittings snap securely into standard ETrack rails for reliable placement. Adjusting the length is simple by pressing the release button and pulling the strap tight. These strong straps give you peace of mind by preventing cargo damage during transport. Keep your next load locked down safely and travel with absolute confidence. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.